This is Heat 3. Lane 1 above expectations. In 2, the Blazers of Michigan. In 3, Team Quest. Lane 4, Baltimore City. In 5, Track San Antonio. Lane 6, the Wings. And in Lane 7, Denver Lightning.
Here are the final results of the 14-year-old girls javelin. The third is Brianna Craig, Millville, New Jersey, 102.05. Second was Olivia Norris, Fishers, Indiana, 105 feet 7 inches. And our champion from Slidell, Louisiana, Mallory Norton, the winning throw of 114 feet 5 inches.
It's Baltimore City on the exchange in lane 4. Down in 3's Team Quest. It's Team Quest on the rail. Baltimore City on the outside. Track San Antonio. Correction, that's the Denver Lightning. Baltimore City, Denver Lightning. It's the Denver Lightning now with the lead. Baltimore City second.
Here are the final results of the 12-year-old boys discus. Third place was Valentine Snitko, Plainfield, Illinois, 100 feet 6 inches. Second was Cameron Claiborne, St. Louis, Missouri, also 100 feet 6 inches, but with a better second throw. And our champion, Coulter Oldham, Lakin, Kansas, 112 feet 4 inches.
Back on the track, it's Denver Lightning, Speed City Elite. Denver Lightning followed by Speed City Elite. Speed City Elite now taking over. Denver Lightning in second. The Soda Nitro in third. Here they come. Denver Lightning. 3:21.69. That was 48.98 on that carry. The Wings second, 3:22.23. Anchor carrying 48.88.